What's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So if you're anything like me, then you enjoy seeing amazing icons and discovering some amazing designs for icons that you can use across your project. So today in this video I'm going to be presenting to you 3 website resources you can use to find those amazing icons. So the first one is going to be icons8.com. So you want to head straight away on there and you're going to discover a huge library of over 1,330,600 free icons that match each other and that are going to meet up with your needs. So there's a huge library of icons on here which you can use completely for free. So check it out. It's an amazing website, consistent, pixel perfect, versatile, and made by the best icon designers. So you can start your projects with our icons, Apple, Android, Windows, web, and even just to build your graphic design. So it's really pixel perfect. It has the SVG format. And I mean, I don't have to sell it to you. It's just an amazing website which has so many icons available for free. So they equally have plugins you can integrate into apps like Figma, Mac app, Photoshop, plugins and design software, Illustrator, and some others as well. So they have icon styles which really go with each other and can help you build consistency throughout your projects. You can also bring motion as well to the design with animated icons. So they just have so much going on, and this video might take even 2 hours if I just had to go through this single website. So I'll just show you how to use it and then we'll move on to the next. So what you want to do is just go to the website, then you just want to search for the icon you want here. And so if you go ahead and click maybe a menu icon, then they will give us the whole list of menu icons they have available. So as you can see here, there's a whole list of them. Just looking at this already over 100 and it keeps going on and on. They equally have different styles you can choose from here: duotone, hand-drawn, 3D, colored, and so there's just so much going on here. So when you find what you're looking for, you just want to go ahead and click on it, and then there's a download button on here. You can equally edit it, choose a specific color, add a background, choose the padding, the positioning, the rotation, and even add some text, a stroke, sub icon, and squared. So they really have a lot going on here. So you can equally copy or just add to your collection by creating an account, and you have your whole collection of icons here that you use on a regular basis. So this is an amazing website that has just all of that. So you want to just go ahead and look for whatever icon you are looking for in here. So if you want to cut it, so you go ahead, will propose you so many of them, and so you can't possibly not find what you're looking for on this website. There are just so many. But just in case you need more resources, you can go ahead and check out some other websites like FigIcon, which does have equally a decent library of icons here as well. Straight away there's a download button, you can easily get it and just copy it, but they don't have editing features or nothing like that. You can equally download, I believe, some additional plugins to have access to these icons directly. And then the last website is going to be Icon Finder, where you equally have a huge database of icons. So I'm wondering if on this website there are icons for things like Facebook, but I definitely believe there will be. So if you go ahead, you click Facebook, you can see the whole logos of Facebook and some other companies. Yeah, so the last one is Icon Finder. You already straight away see the logos of many companies that you can easily use on your graphic design. So this is just a quick video to show you some 3 amazing websites where you can find all the icons you need for your project. So definitely check them out, have them bookmarked, and I'm sure you can use them totally for free and at your leisure. So I hope this is helpful to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.